everything you love about Post cereal. Whether it's Malt-O-Meal fruity Dino Bites, Honey Bunches of Oats, Grape Nuts, or one of your other favorites, they all begin with 5 high-quality ingredients: wheat, corn, oats, sugar, and rice. Most of these ingredients are grown right here in the U.S., though we source many of our oats from our Canadian neighbors to the north, where we also have additional manufacturing facilities. We use a mix of delicious and unique flavors and vitamins, and of course, marshmallows when they're called for. For every ingredient, we work with trusted suppliers, including many who have committed to using more sustainable farming practices and are aligned with the Global Food Safety Initiative. Looking for gluten-free, non-GMO, or heart-healthy ingredients? We've got those too. So, no matter your taste, you can always enjoy the wholesome goodness of cereal that starts with high-quality ingredients.